Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw one of the new hero pets from Clash of Clans, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Lassie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Lassie, we're going to begin with the eye. I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to make a little line that's going to curve down. And we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up like this. Now, starting here, we're just going to make a little line that goes right across for the top. We'll make a little line that goes up. And we're going to bring it across here and then down. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to go down a little farther and then up. I'm going to bring this line in just a little bit, draw a little line to connect it, and a little line to connect it over here. And a little line is going to go down and then up here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to draw a line that's going to go up and down, then up and down one more time. And a little line to connect it. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down and then up a tiny bit. Now before we do any more in the mouth, let's start off with the ears. I'll begin right here. We're going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and down with a little line that's going to come down to here. And inside of it, we're just going to make that same little shape. Over here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, down, and then down like this with a little line down. And we'll make a little line that's going to go up, down, and then straight down. Next, we're just going to bring this line down a little bit. And right here, we're going to put a skinny oval shape. Then we're going to make two little lines, a line that goes down, over, and then connects. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up, down, and then it's going to curve just a little bit. Next, we're going to go down and up. And I'm going to bring this all the way over to here. It should come out a little bit farther than this. Next, right here, we're going to go down. I'm going to go down like this and over. We'll connect this and bring this down. I'm going to draw a little line up here, and we're going to come over. We'll swing it across, go back, and then come around. Now right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up. Right here, I'm going to go over and up, over and up, over and up. Make a line that goes down and up like this, and then down. And another one that comes down here. And we'll just connect this to here. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and bring it up. We'll add a little line that comes right about to here down. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and up. And we'll make a little line that goes down, over, and up again. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go over. It's going to come down to a V shape, and then down here with a little line down. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve up to here. with another little line that does the same thing. We're going to make a line that goes down, over, and then up. And then we're going to make a little line back here and connect it. Right here we're going to make a line that goes down, over, it's going to come up, over, and then up like this with a little line down. We're going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over, up, and then connect to here. A little line that goes up and over with a little line down. And I'm going to connect it to here. Now right inside this little kind of V shape we made, we want to make a line that goes out and then comes back. We're going to go up and over. Make a little line that comes to here. A little line that goes up and down and then over to here. Line that goes up and then brings it to here. We're going to make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come up and then bring it back to here. And another little line down. Make a line that goes down. It's going to go over, up, and then bring it back to here. A little line that goes down like this, and another one that goes down with a little line here. Next, starting here, we'll put a little line right there. And we're going to make a line that goes out and then in. Now this little corner here, we're going to make a line that's going to go straight up. It's going to come over and down. And this one's going to go down just a tiny bit so we can put that last leg in. Right here, go down, swing it over, kind of hooks. We're going to bring it up and then connect it. Right here we're going to make a line that's going to go out, and another one that's going to go out, gets a little bit wider, and one more that's going to kind of do the same thing. We'll add a line here to connect it, and a line right here. We'll come in just a little bit, make a line that goes down, over, and connects. Little line that goes up and down. And then a line to connect it right here. Then we'll make a little line that comes up here. Now right back here we're going to add the tail, so we'll add a little line that's going to go up and down to a little point. And there you go. There is your drawing of Lassie from the new Clash of Clan Pets. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.